All right, how do we create customized colored stick figures in Pivot? Well, it used to be a lot more complicated, but the new Pivot 5, boy, oh boy, and just make sure you're going to go to help about, make sure you have Pivot 5.1 or 5.0, and this will be possible. Okay, so step one, you're going to select your just generic plain figure, and we're going to click on the pencil. And we're going to edit this figure type. So I'm going to open this up a little bit so you can see it. Oops, where'd you go? Try that again. Okay, so one, you can now color individual segments with the segment color. So I'm going to start by showing you these segments here. Those, you can see that those are the little end arms and legs. So I'm going to make his arms and legs a same color. So I'm going to pick any color I want for a skin tone and say, I'm going to make that a custom color. I'm going to say add to custom color. That's going to help me so I don't have to drag that again. And there I changed arm color or their arm color. And I'm going to go use that custom color. And I'm going to do the same thing for the head and the legs. Keep using that same custom color that I just selected to make them all a custom color. And I'm going to click on this dot to change the head color, which should also be the same color. Then I'm going to look at some of my samples here, but I'm going to pick some colors for the, so I would click on this. This is this arm segment right here. And we're going to make that maybe this purple color. And I'm going to make that purple. It's kind of a nice contrast. I'm just going to use that. I'm not going to try to make a custom color here. Go back to the purple, and then I think I click on this one. No, maybe this one. Maybe this one. Oh, yeah, I got to click on that one to get that purple. Okay, so now I got the top, and then I want to make these. I would click on this. It's basically whatever is connected to that orange dot. The next dot out from that orange dot is what it's going to color. Let's try blue. I don't know if blue is the right color, but okay, whatever. Blue. I think that's a different blue. It is. I might go with a darker blue. Okay. All right. So there's my character. Once I've created my character, I'm going to save it. So it's a lot of little changes, and you can do a lot more. Oh, I'm even going to do this. I'm going to put his arm. So like if you look at his leg here, I'm going to click the back button, and that puts his leg joint behind the jeans. So I'm going to select that and say back. Now, if you'll see, his leg is actually under the jeans. I'm going to do the same with this one. Oh, I just did it. I want to do those on top. I want to do the leg joint. You got to click on that bottom one there. So it's selected that leg joint. And I'm going to send it backwards, behind. I'm going to do that with the arms too. I'm going to click on the arm, make sure I have that part of the arm selected, send it behind the sleeve. So it looks like it's coming out of the sleeve. I just like that. And I'm also going to make these thinner. See, the arm just got thinner. I'm going to click on this arm. And you can see the numbers down here, thickness 14. I'm going to make it 12. Now see, the thickness is 12. They're a little bit thinner. They're coming out of the sleeves. And I'm going to do the same with the legs. I'm going to make them 2 thinner, 2, 1, 2. Now I am going to save as, and I want to save this. I'm going to save to my desktop. I'm going to call this Color Guy 5. You can call it whatever you want. Maybe you decided someone make a SpongeBob that was all yellow. And now I'm going to add to animation. Add to animation, and there's my new custom colored character. Instead of using the plain old stick figure, we now have the ability to do a fancy figure right out of the box here. And then you can reload it by going File, Load Figure Type, and you can find any of the custom characters you've already made by just loading them up. So I hope you find that helpful, and happy custom character making.